everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on using the cross-section tool will allow you to make horizontal and vertical straight cuts to expose obscured sections of the 3D view. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the cross-section tool can be accessed. To access the cross-section tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in a Terrain Analysis group, click on Cross-section. The cross-section dialog box is displayed. To use the cross-section tool, on the cross-section dialog box, enter the following parameters: mode, plane size, plane direction, and save to project. The mode parameter will allow you to select auto, horizontal, or vertical. The auto setting will automatically determine the cross-section based on where the cursor is currently pointing at. Plane size parameter determines the size of the cross-section plane. Slide the slider to the right to increase the plane size and left to decrease. The plane direction parameter allows you to set the direction of the cross-section plane. And finally, the Save to Project parameter allows you to save the cross-section as an object available in the project tree. Once parameters have been set, click Start. Then, in the 3D window, click where you want to create the cross-section. Then use the cross-section slider to adjust the position of the cross-section plane. Click Stop to exit the cross-section. We went over how to use the cross-section tool in our project. This concludes the tutorial on cross-sections. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, and SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.